What's up guys, this is Yogi and welcome back to Yogipedia. Yesterday my friend has broken this mobile, Redmi Note 4. See this, you can't use this anymore. Now I am going to replace the damaged one at home itself. Let's go into the video guys. You need the screwdriver and display opener. First remove the SIM tray in the mobile. Then switch off the mobile and gently remove the back panel. Now I remove it. Then remove the battery strip and take out the battery. Then fingerprint scanner. Then the two connectors. And these two connectors also. This is a touch strip. Take out this. This is a network connector and take this also. Then unscrew the and pull out the bottom panel and the board also. Now I removed the main board. Behind that you can see the speaker. Take this also. Take the new one. I got this on retail shop near my house. You can also buy in eBay or Amazon. Now fix the earpiece in the new one and fix the board also. Now you can connect the strips in that board. Then fix the plastic one. Then fix all the screws. Take the main board and fix in it. Before that, you remove the sticker in the. Now fix the board and screw it all. I finished up this. Next take the network connector and fix this connector to that connector. Then connect the display connector and close it. Then touch connector. Before placing the battery, you just remove the blue sticker in this and place the battery. Then take the back panel and close it. Now fix the SIM tray in this mobile and power on it. Look at this guys, it's perfectly working. You can also replace the display in your room. Thank you guys for watching this video.